Hello, my name is Kung. Welcome to cyberNet channel. This video will show you where to download and how to install the Oracle DBMS. First, let's access Oracle Developer Resource Center. Click the Technologies menu and select the Databases menu item. At the Download section, click on the Oracle Database tile. The newest version is available in the cloud service only. Therefore, we will download the latest long-term release version. Depend on your system, download the appropriate installer. In my case, I download the Windows 64-bit installer. If you don't have an Oracle account, click on the Create Account button. It's free. After logging in, you can download the installer. It takes some time to download the file. Extract the zip file. Move the extracted folder to the root of the driver C to avoid the path containing a space. If the path to the setup file having a space, it doesn't work. Now let's double-click the setup file. If your system doesn't have an Oracle database instance, you should select the first option. Otherwise, if you upgrade your current Oracle instance, you should select the second option. Read the notes for more information. Oracle need an account to run its service. You can select the virtual account or Windows built-in account. You can also set up a window account for Oracle service. Note this account is for the Oracle service, not for login the Oracle system. Specify the location for Oracle. It takes time for the setup finishing installation. is now on my system. Let's try open sqlplus to connect to Oracle server. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.